Hello, and welcome to another update video about MATIC. Yeah, MATIC also seems to be ready for another drop into the below 50 cent region. So as I highlighted in my last videos, it seemed quite likely that this was just a three-wave move to the upside. So far, at least, it is respecting that. I still need a break below this last swing low at 51.1 cents to confirm that we are already in the fifth wave to the downside. So it seems like one more low should happen. And yeah, it might also be forming, like, for example, Bitcoin, like some other coins, such a head and shoulders pattern, left shoulder, head. We see them everywhere at the moment. Right shoulder, pretty close to what Bitcoin is doing right now. Even the microstructure is pretty much still there based on what we said in the last video. I explained to you that of this wave 4 high that was likely made on the 20th of September, the price, has a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, a wave 3 down. Yeah, this could be a wave 4, might even be a triangle. We're going to take a look at the micro count in a minute. And then one more low in a wave 5. Seems like this A wave here needs one more low. So with that one more low, we have 5 waves down complete. That would be pretty much in line with Bitcoin. 5 down. And yeah, I mean, this might really unfold as a triangle here. It's a pretty obvious triangle bearish pennant, they call it. So we've got that here. And a break to the downside is at the moment preferred. Even if it doesn't break to the downside, I mean, this is all still relevant resistance all the way up to 55.2 cents. And if we are looking for micro resistance, just for this wave 4, resistance is up to 53 cents. So, I mean, you can never rule out that it's sort of breaking to the upside. Does a nice three-wave move. I think it did that before. Or was it someone else? Someone else. No, it was Gala. I think Gala did that recently. They had this triangle on the chart. Made a little bit of a move to the upside. Yeah, fake out. And then it broke down. That's, of course, why we need to consider these resistance areas. They are more relevant than the triangle shape itself. Could just be, for example, a wave 4. A wave 4 can be a triangle itself. So we have in a triangle, which you will know, an A, B, C, D structure, A wave, B wave, C wave. I mean, it could even be done, right? D wave maybe, and now the E wave, and that's it, and it breaks down. Or the wave 4 is just a normal ABC structure. A wave, the B wave is the triangle, and then a C wave to the upside. So if that's the case, then the B wave is unfolding as triangle and would break to the upside, okay? Then the wave count would be A wave, B wave, potentially C, D, E, and it could break to the upside now. Okay, so it's possible both ways. So it's not, that doesn't really give you an edge, that wave count, but knowing what resistance is, that's going to be important. Micro resistance. So even a break above 53 cents doesn't make it bullish necessarily. It would just potentially lead to a larger head and shoulders pattern. But this would actually give quite a nice symmetrical head and shoulders pattern on this chart. If it moves higher, I mean, again, what is really relevant looking at the bigger picture is the 55.2 cent level. This here is really just relevant for the smaller degree. Okay, so a break above 53 cents would make me reconsider the micro structure, but overall it is expected to move down. Support is at 51.1 cents. A break below that would lead to a completion likely of the A wave, then a larger move up in a B wave, potentially just retesting the previous neckline of that head and shoulders pattern from below. So let's assume we do this, break down, move up in 3 waves, retest, and then break down further. This is how it would be ideal. And then next support will be at 48.6 cents, 46.5, and then potentially even 41 cents. Looking at the bigger picture on the MATIC chart, if you haven't seen that last time, let's just open that chart. This gives you a bit of an orientation where we are on the weekly chart. MATIC could still be in this larger fourth wave. So 1, 2, this was the March 2020 low, the wave 2, then a third wave to the upside, now a wave 4 to the downside. Yeah. This wave 4 might have been completed in June last year. if we come down much lower, if we break down below 41 cents, I will have to assume that it goes down all the way to around about 30 cents. Okay, this support area then all the way down below 14 cents, I will start to get nervous, because then I have nothing bullish left on this chart. But until then, the weekly chart isn't bearish. Just be aware that it would be ideal to not break below 41 cents, because if it does that, it will likely cause a breakdown towards the yellow support area first, towards the June 2020 low, then likely breaking it, potentially testing here 29 cents or 14 cents. That's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.